All right, today we're changing the air filter on a Ford E-450 Super Duty. This is a Class C motorhome that's on this platform. This is a real popular platform that Ford has. So in the cab, pop the hood. If you come up here just from the right side of the oval, go up. Lift it over. Get the hood up. We'll get the prop rod up. Okay, we got the hood up. This is a real simple air filter change. Okay, if you see this big cylinder, this is where the air filter is kept. So if you see there's just a one lever right there. And we just get this strap. Lock it on, and then we just separate it. Air filter's right in there. This one, yeah, we're gonna replace. I'm not sure how long ago this was replaced, so we're gonna get this replaced. Okay, the replacement one we're using is this Fram CA 8039. Okay, we have the new one out. Here's our old one. Old one has some stuff in it, bees and stuff, dirt. So the new one, what I like to do with the new one is I like to write the miles that are currently on the vehicle. So it has 23,000 miles approximately on it. That way, when I look at it again, I know how many miles ago I changed it and know when it's due. 10, 12,000 miles is a good changing point. So to get this back installed is real simple. Into this housing first and then put it back on the motor. So I got it all the way pushed in right here. This little snorkel part goes in. There's a little part right there it goes into. And then it just lines up on that groove. So you put this groove, line it up with that groove right there. Push it together and then we'll snap it back down. Okay, once we have both parts fitted back together, snap that back down. It's secure. I'll just fill all the way around it just to make sure that it's in there. It went in really well. That's it. Dispose of the old one. We're good to go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel.